So, chapter 6, the easiest chapter that exists. Once you start understanding sets, which those who were in Form 2 already know something about it. When looking at chapter 6, we start with two different notations. Oh, that is 3A, 3B. So the first symbol is the easiest one, is the union. Now what is the union? Easy. I have two different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have another set, B, that has the numbers 4, 5, 6. And I say, well, the union of set A and B, the only thing left to do is count them together. So the union of A and B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple. That is a union. Add the two sets together. Simple. The following set or symbol is called the intersection symbol. We take a set D, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a set E, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then they ask you, give me the intersection of set D and set E. Now the intersection means, what do both sets have in common? That's what you have to look for. I see a 3 in this one, and I see a 3 in that one. I see a 4 in D, and I see a 4 in E. So my answer to what is the intersection of set D and E? Simple, 3 and 4. Both sets contain those two numbers. The intersection. Now, I shall take the same exercise and place it as union. We shall do this. And notice, what do you have to do? Oh, union. Union means I add the different sets together into one set. Meaning I have a bag with these numbers and I have a bag with other numbers. I add those two bags together. Now, there is one catch. You cannot add the same numbers twice. So, the set will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Because both sets contain the same numbers. I'm not going to add the same numbers twice again, because it's already included. Simple enough? Easy peasy? And now we proceed to something that is called the complement of a set. The complement of a set is notated with an apostrophe. To give a clear indication, I shall reuse the previous example. Let me remove this. Oh. I have two different sets, D and E. I would like to know all the numbers that are in D apostrophe. Now, what is D apostrophe? It's the complement of a set. Means everything that is not in the set of D. Which numbers in these two sets do not belong in the set of D? That is 5 and 6, and that is correct. That's it. D apostrophe. D apostrophe means the complement of a set. It means everything that is not in this set. So I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these numbers are not present in this set? 5 and 6. Because 3 and 4 is also present in this set. So I want all the numbers that are not a member of set D. Looking at E, E has 3 and 4 that are also in set D. So I need all the numbers that are in E but not in D. Only two numbers left, 5 and 6. We can also proceed by saying, I would like E apostrophe. It's the same thing again. Meaning, correct, all the numbers that are not in E but do appear in D, which is 1 and 2. As I said, this is the easiest chapter that exists. As we proceed, wait, I think I have an exercise. Yes, 6A, A, and 2A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then odd numbers. 6A, 1A. I have two sets. Oops. 5. And I have another set. Is it 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, if I'm not mistaken? Yes. And they ask intersection, which I gave the color blue. So, it means I need to look for numbers that are present in the first set as well as in the other set. That's what I'm looking for. I look at 3 is present in the left set, and 3 is also present in the right set. 5 is present in the left set, and 5 is present in the right set. We look at 1 as well. 1 is present in the left set, and 1 is present in the right set. So the answer to the question is 1, 3, and 5. Wow. I think we can add chapter 7 as well when we're done with chapter 6. I'm 100% sure. Looking at the speed, we can do it. Second one, A. Oh. Two, A. A speaks on union. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15. And we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The other set. And they ask for the union. Oh. So you always start from the lowest number to the highest number. So 1, 3, remember 3 appears twice, so I'm only gonna write it once. This is 3. These two appear twice. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9 also appears twice. 9, 12, and 15. These two appear twice. Wow. I find it easy, and if I find it easy, everyone finds it easy. Because I was the worst in mathematics, so if I find it easy, yes? Simple. Moving on to, look at that, we already reached 6.2. Look how good you guys are. Wow. Venn diagrams. (6.2). What is 6.2? Vigo Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams can be used in your daily life. For example, really small example, you do not have to write it. Things I do. Yes, things I do. And you have 2 different sets. You can use it for anything and everything. This is Monday and this is Tuesday. Monday, you go on TikTok. Tuesday, you go on Instagram. Monday, you practice mathematics. Tuesday, you also practice mathematics. On Monday, you go to school, and on Tuesday, you also go to school. And if you notice, if it's in the left-hand side and if it's in the right-hand side, you can transfer it to the middle, meaning you only have to write it once. Stop, practice mathematics there, because you know it belongs to both sets. You can use it in your everyday life with everything you want to do and accomplish in life. Venn diagrams. Whoa. You guys are horrible at drawing. I want it to work. There we go. Wow. I shall apply for the visual arts job to teach you guys visual arts, because I am awesome at this. You means everything. Do not forget, most people, when doing sets, they forget everything else, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 different circles, and you also have things outside of the circles. Do not forget. So if we start with the easiest one, let's duplicate that, make this one bigger, smaller. So I have 2 different diagrams. I'm looking at 6C, exercise 2. Exercise 2. Let's make it smaller. There we go. because we need to make about 20 of these, if not more. June wants more, so we shall give him more. So we shall make 30. I love the enthusiasm. Thank you, June. Yes? We shall make 30. This is 6. Let's duplicate those 6 into 12. There was I. One more. There we go. 7 different ones. All right. Let's get into it. We have S. Oh, that's stupid. Anyway. And then we have T, 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 and there we go, the last one. Oh. T. Oh. A, S intersecting with T. S intersecting with T. That means everything that's in S, but also in T. So you look immediately at the middle, because everything that's in the middle means it's in S as well as in T. Intersection of them both. The next one, B, S with the union of T. S with the union of T. What does this represent? Everything that's in S as well as in T, meaning both sets.
Sorry, Van de Berg Francois.
Yes, everything that's in S as well as in T. Whoa. We have the following, which is C, S with the intersection of T apostrophe. Intersecting with T apostrophe. So what does this represent? S intersecting with T, which is this, but not T, T apostrophe. So I have S, everything that's in S, intersecting with everything that's not in T. Meaning you have S, and everything that's not in T. Remember what I said about the U? Then we have T intersecting with S apostrophe. Go here. T intersecting with S apostrophe. So we have everything in T intersecting with everything that's not in S. Technically the inverse of what we just did. Everything in T, which is not in S. We have E, which is T apostrophe, which is the easiest one, means everything that's not in T. T apostrophe, everything that is not in T. Which color is just used? Blue, so I'm at purple. Everything that's not in T. And if you notice correctly, S intersecting with T apostrophe is the exact same thing as T apostrophe. You can say the same thing, but writing it differently. F, S intersecting with T apostrophe in brackets. So S intersecting with T, I know is this in the middle. So what do I want? Everything that's not in the middle, which means everything else. So everything else. There we go. Last but not least, we have S with the union of T, union with T, apostrophe. My last color. There we go. So the union of S and T, which is what? Everything. So I want everything that's not this. So everything else, which is on the outside. Everything on the outside. Yes. This S intersecting with T. What is S intersecting with T? In the middle. So I want the apostrophe of S intersecting with T. Means everything that's not this in the middle. S intersecting with T.
So, comma, everything is equal.
The complement.
Is equal to 1, okay?
Correct. The thing you do not want. Here. See? E apostrophe. I have two sets. What is in? I want everything that is not in E. If I look at D, D has 3 and 4. E also has 3 and 4. So I want everything that's not in E. It's 1 and 2. Yes?